It's a different tree.
Persimmon?
No, this one. Come see it right here. There's one that is almost ready right there. I don't remember. We call it eagle. Uh-huh.
Oh, fig?
Fig, yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
I didn't even see the fig
yeah.
tree. It's
Uh-huh.
like intertwined
It's
with the.
yeah. It's they're both
They're
the same
both
place.
growing
Yeah,
together. This is
yeah.
interesting. They planted them in the same hole.
Yeah.
This is for all the people that say you can't plant trees too close together. That it won't work. Here you go, a persimmon and a fig in the same hole. I cannot get over these avocado trees. They're just massive. They got to be like they got to be like 50 years old, wouldn't you say? Wouldn't you say those avocados have got to be like 50 years old?
Kinda. Yeah.
Because mine in my backyard is 30 years old and it's nothing close to this.